Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to transfer money from Sofi to Apple Pay. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how to transfer money from Sofi to Apple Pay, so the first thing to do is to open the wallet app on your iPhone. Then it's built-in app on all iPhones. From there, you have to tap the plus icon button in the top right. Then after that, choose the debit or credit card of your choice. Then scan your Sofi debit card or enter its detail manually. So if you don't have a physical card, use the card info from the Sofi app under the more button. Then click on debit card info. Then from there, you have to follow the on-screen instruction to verify the card. Then this may include a text message or an email for verification. Then once that is done, your Sofi debit card is now ready for Apple Pay. Then you can now spend your Sofi money directly from your Apple Pay, or can also use it to watch or buy other stuff from your Apple devices. And that's how you can simply transfer money from Sofi to Apple Pay. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.